That was cold. How cold was it, Grandpa? Cold, said Grandpa. When my little brother Wayney sneezed, his sneeze froze. Ooh. Achoo! Tink, plink. Frozen. Dropped to the ground and broke all to pieces. One morning, said Grandpa, we started to take the dog for a walk, but it was so icy that at the end of the day, we were still in exactly the same place. They were going over and over in the same place because it was so slick. Was there a lot of snow, Grandpa? Oh, yes. But by then, the town had disappeared too. That might be our chimney, Wayney. See the chimney? What did you do then, Grandpa? We climbed to a high place so we could try to spot our house. What of you? Oh, Wayney. Why? Wayney was sliding down the hill. Wayney's head was hitting icicles as he slid past the barn. We headed straight for Farmer Manning's clothesline. The deer began to run, and I fell off. Wayney! What? I searched for Wayney. Wah! What was it you had whispered to Wayney, Grandpa? Well, I hated to do it, but I whispered, I guess you'll never have ice cream again. Did somebody say ice cream? Uncle Wayney.